Thank you for viewing this beautiful home located in the prestigious community of Hoover. It features 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, a 2-car garage with a full finished basement. It's fully renovated, move-in ready. It has granite countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances. The master is fully updated with a deck, a private balcony on the back. As you walk in, you can see the hardwood floors. You continue to the living and dining room. The beautiful lighting. As you walk into the kitchen, you can see the tile. We're going to walk you down the main level of the home. I'm going to turn around and let you look at the entire kitchen. It also has a wonderful eat-in space. The first room on the right is the bathroom. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. All hardwood floors in the main bedrooms. Bedroom 3. And bedroom 3 has a full bath as well. For more questions on this property, the phone number is 205-965-0007. We're going to enter the master suite. It features a fireplace and the private balcony I was telling you about. It's very large. Really large backyard. Very large shower, as you can see. We're going to go into the large walk-in closet in the master. Look at all the space. Again, another view of the master. The beautiful beams. I'm going to walk you down to the full finished basement. Again, if you have any questions, please call me at 205-965-0007. The basement has a fireplace with a full bath and the laundry room. Here's the laundry room. And another full bath. Again, we want to thank you for viewing this property with us today. If you have any questions or comments, please call me at 205-965-0007. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.